You want to make money with affiliate marketing. It's time for a little kiss. Nah, not that kind. Nah. Welcome to Real Internet Cash TV. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this video, I'm gonna share with you how to start making money with affiliate marketing the easiest way possible using the KISS strategy. All right, now when you look up KISS, you probably hear, it means keep it super simple, stupid. A lot of people say that, but I like KISS as being keep it super simple, right? I don't want to call nobody stupid. All right, now there's some stupid people out there, and trust me when I tell you. But with this affiliate marketing, we're gonna keep it super simple. All right, so I'm assuming you are new to affiliate marketing, but you hungry, you really like the concept of affiliate marketing, and you want to start making money as soon as possible. All right, the first thing we need to figure out is, what do you want to promote? All right, we're gonna keep it simple now. Find what niche you want to be in, right? Are you into sports? Are you into make money online? Are you into, cars? Are you into cooking, pets, whatever? Figure that out, right? What do you want to be involved with? All right, so we'll say it is fitness, right? That's your thing. All right, so you into fitness, you're like, all right, cool. Second thing is, what do you want to promote? We need a product, all right? So figure it out. Do you want to go on ClickBank? You can go to clickbank.com, find a digital product, right? You can go to digistore24.com and find a digital product. If you're involved with Amazon, now I always tell people with Amazon, easy to get started with, easy to promote products, but their commissions are trash. You're looking at 1 to 2%. But hey, if you want to do it, you want to just get started, that's on you. But remember, we just need one niche and one product. All right, so find your product, whatever it is. Next, we need just one, because we're just going to start out one place that you're going to promote. All right, so figure this out. What are you I won't say passionate about, so what platform are you most comfortable using that you can feel comfortable using on a day-to-day basis? So is it Facebook? Is it YouTube? Is it TikTok? Right? Is it Instagram? Figure that out right now. All right, and like I said, only reason I tell this to people, because when you first getting started with affiliate marketing, you get all of these courses and programs, and somebody tell you like, oh, you can only use Facebook, this is the way to do it. Then you buy another course and they be like, yo, you can only use YouTube. And then you get another course and they like, you can only use Instagram for this method. Nah, damn that. You have to go with what you feel comfortable using, because I ain't gonna lie, all of these platforms could make you money. Most of them, right? They pretty much, all of the big dogs, you can earn money with them. You just got to figure out how to do it, right? But it all starts with, what platform do you feel most comfortable with that you're going to use on a regular basis, all right? So now you got the niche that you're in, you got your product, and you got that platform. Now the last thing is, start posting content on a regular basis. Now you might be thinking, man, that's common sense. No, damn all the common sense. And I mean on a regular basis, once a day, right? Once a day, at least Monday through Friday, post something relevant to your product that you're promoting. Now, I'm not just saying, spam your social media page with nothing but, banner ads and pictures of, fitness people or whatever you promote. I'm saying mixed in with your normal, whatever you post, what you ate today, or what are you doing, what you watched on TV. Okay, but you make a point to put some piece of content that's related to whatever it is you're promoting. And it doesn't have to be a direct promotion, right? It don't have to be a direct promotion, but just talk about something related to what you're promoting. And honestly, with this method, you only want to actually like pitch, your product or whatever, like maybe twice, maybe 2 to 3 times a week. Actually say, hey, check out blah blah blah, right? Like that's just keeping it super simple. All right, because Me personally, I'm a YouTube guy. Like, I'm always on YouTube. If you watch my channel, just look at my channel, right? It shows you right there the consistency. I'm on there. I enjoy YouTube. I've been doing it forever. And on other platforms like Facebook, I'm on Facebook, but I'm not like a Facebook guy. Like, I'm over there kinda, right? But YouTube, I'm on it, right? You might be reversed. You might be like, yo, I don't even mess with YouTube like that. I watch videos. I'm not really big on that, but I'm on Facebook all day, every day. All right, that might be your thing, right? So you need to figure out that platform and start promoting, start letting people know what you're involved with, whether it be, like I said, fitness, whether it be cooking, whether it be finance, whatever it is, just keep it simple. Now, as you just progress, right, and get going, then you can start looking into other methods of marketing, right? You can start expanding out to other platforms, right? But just getting started, guys, with affiliate marketing, do not overcomplicate it. It's basically just putting your offer in front of potential buyers, right? So, and even going back to that, you might be thinking like, well, my Facebook page, or if I'm a Facebook person, right? Like, what I'm promoting, it doesn't really fit with, my Facebook page. And that's fine. Damn good question. Damn good point. All right. So whatever your platform is, if it has different groups that you can join, just like Facebook. Facebook got tons of groups that you can join, right? And you join these groups related to whatever your niche is. Join as many groups as you can, right? Make sure these groups are active, and then use my KISS method, right? Post, once a day in these groups. And once again, they don't all have to be promotional, but just be involved, right? Let it be known that you're into fill in the blank, right? This is how you get started with affiliate marketing without it becoming overwhelming and draining and exhausting and confusing, right? Like, this is why so many people quit, because of that. You know what I mean? They just get overwhelmed. But this is how you keep it simple, and this is how you can start making money with affiliate marketing. All right. Now, if you want to check out a system that can actually show you how to start making $50, $150, and even $300 commissions, you definitely need to watch this video right here.